English Pronunciation, Lesson 12. Topic: Omission of the consonant sound T.
Well, as you can see, we've had a very big snowfall here in New England, but that's fine by me because I really enjoy a white Christmas, and Christmas is only 2 days away. You know, Christmas is one of those words in English that is written with the T, but we don't pronounce it. Now, many viewers have asked me about the pronunciation of T in American English, and I hope to make that lesson in the future. But for now, what I'd like to do is explain when the T is not pronounced. I'm going to explain 4 cases in which we don't say the T usually. And hopefully this will help you better understand American English when it's spoken.
Group 1. In some words we always omit or leave out the T. For example, Christmas. Never say Christmas, only Christmas. Now here's a list of words in which a T sound is left out. Note that this list is not complete. Listen as I say the words: bustle, Christmas, hustle, mistletoe, whistle, wrestle. Now, bustle and hustle are similar words, and they refer to busy, noisy activity, kind of like the holiday shopping you see in stores. Mistletoe is a kind of plant with a white berry, and there's a Christmas tradition that if 2 people are caught under the mistletoe, they have to kiss. Whistle, as you know, is a sound. That's me whistling. And wrestle means to struggle or fight with. Let me say the words again, and you repeat after me. Bustle, Christmas, hustle, mistletoe, whistle, wrestle. Text 1. Listen as I read the text. I love the hustle and bustle of Christmas. Even while I wrestle with shopping bags, I want to whistle a merry holiday tune. And I'm never too busy to share a sweet kiss under the mistletoe. Now I'll read the text again. I'll pause after each sentence, and I want you to repeat after me. I love the hustle and bustle of Christmas. Even while I wrestle with shopping bags, I want to whistle a merry holiday tune. And I'm never too busy to share a sweet kiss under the mistletoe. Group 2. In fast informal speech, we sometimes omit the T in the prefix inter, as in international. So in careful speech, we say international, but in fast and formal speech, you may hear international. Here's a list of words that all share the same prefix, inter. I'll first read the word with careful pronunciation. You will hear the pronunciation of T. Then I'll repeat the word with fast informal pronunciation. You will not hear the T. Listen carefully and try to repeat. Interactive, interactive. Intermediate, intermediate. International, international. Internet, internet. Text 2. Listen as I read the text. I will not read slowly and carefully. I will be reading fast so that you will hear the omission of the consonant sound T. The T's that are underlined are the T's that are omitted. English is truly an international language. It's easier now than ever to learn English, whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or advanced student. The Internet offers language videos and lots of interactive exercises. If you'd like to go back, you may use your pause key to pause and repeat after me. But this is mainly an exercise in listening. I'd like you to understand the spoken English. Group 3. In fast and formal speech, we sometimes omit the T in a consonant group at the end of a word. Now, by consonant group, I mean 3 consonant sounds or more. For example, the word axe. We have 3 consonant sounds, k, t, s. These are voiceless sounds, and we drop the middle one, which happens to be a T. Instead of acts, we say axe. Here's a group of 5 common words in English. They all end with a consonant group that even for native speakers is difficult to pronounce. That's why in fast speech we leave out the T sound. Listen closely and try to repeat after me. Accepts, acts, lifts, rests, tests. In the final 2 words, you need to lengthen the S sound. Make it long so that people can understand the words you're saying. Rests, tests. Text 3. Listen as I read the text. I will not be reading at a slow rate. I will read fast so that the omission of the T sounds natural. Grandpa accepts help from no one. It's sad. He lifts heavy things and acts like it's easy, but the weight tests his strength. He rests when he thinks no one is looking. I keep telling him to let me help. One day, maybe he'll listen. Note that listen is one of those words in which we always omit the T sound. Now, if you'd like to go back, you can use your pause button to repeat after me. But again, this is another text in which I feel it's more important to understand rather than repeat. Group 4. In fast and formal speech, we sometimes omit the T when the ending of one word and the beginning of another form a consonant group. For example, she kept shopping. Now in careful speech, you would hear the T. She kept shopping. But in fast and formal speech, we drop the T in that consonant group. The consonant group is P, T, Sh. She kept shopping. Read and then answer the questions. First, I'll state the question. You can repeat after me, and then you can state your answer. Number 1. Let's drop the T in the consonant group S, T, J. What's the worst joke you've heard? Number 2. We're going to drop the T sound in the consonant group S, T, P. Which animals make the best pets? 3. We're going to drop the T sound in the consonant group S, T, J. What's the worst job in the world? End of lesson.
Happy holidays, everyone.